and off-road capability that Jeep is known for worldwide. Our journey begins in the stamping department, where huge coils of steel are cut and stamped into the basic body panels of the Jeep vehicles. This process involves heavy-duty stamping presses, each capable of exerting thousands of tons of pressure to shape the metal with precision. These presses ensure that every panel meets strict specifications, forming the foundation for the Jeep's durable and rugged structure. Next, we move to the body shop. Here, advanced robotics and skilled workers come together to assemble the body of the Jeep. Robots handle the precision welding of body panels, ensuring strong and consistent welds. This automated process not only increases efficiency but also guarantees the high structural integrity that Jeep vehicles are known for. Once the body assembly is complete, the vehicles head to the paint shop. Here, each Jeep undergoes a multi-step painting process, starting with a thorough cleaning and priming to prevent corrosion. Advanced robotic systems apply multiple coats of paint, providing a durable and high-quality finish. The final result is a vibrant, long-lasting color that can withstand the toughest conditions. After painting, the vehicles enter the general assembly line. Here, a combination of human skill and automation brings together all the components. Engines, transmissions, axles, and suspension systems are installed with precision. Interior components, including seats, dashboards, and infotainment systems, are also meticulously installed. Each Jeep is assembled with care to ensure quality and reliability. Quality control is a critical part of the production process. Every Jeep undergoes rigorous inspections and testing at multiple stages. This includes checking for fit and finish, electrical systems, and mechanical functionality. Dynamic testing simulates real-world driving conditions, ensuring that each vehicle meets Stellantis high standards for performance and safety. After passing all quality checks, the Jeeps undergo a final inspection. This is the last step before they are shipped to dealerships across the country. From here, these iconic vehicles make their way to Jeep enthusiasts everywhere, ready to conquer any terrain and adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Stellantis Jeep production in the United States. The combination of advanced technology, skilled craftsmanship, and a commitment to quality ensures that each Jeep remains a symbol of freedom and adventure. Subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at how our vehicles are made. See you next time.